Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another video. My name is Courtney, and today we'll be discussing how you're going to use Pinterest to market your business. In my case, that will be digital marketing in 2025. Now, there's a right way to use Pinterest and a wrong way, okay? You see I choose to use my business logo. You can create a brand new Pinterest business account. Okay, you're going to edit your profile. You see my website here. I use ChatGPT to create my bio for me. You see all my pins. Okay, they have all the pictures, and you're going to optimize pins for what people are searching for. And I'll show you that in a second. So if we go, hold on, trying to get to my boards to see. I think it's different setup when you're with business. So I just clicked on my home feed. All right. It's giving me ideas because I put in here how to make money with digital marketing. Okay. And I also made a board that says how to start digital marketing. Okay. So it's going to tailor what I've already made boards for. Let me see. I'm doing this. My board, how to make money with digital products. Okay, I can pin all of these ideas. But what you'll notice is I created how to start my videos. I have all my YouTube videos here. And I have the products that I'm promoting. My digital marketing guide, my free digital marketing course, the secret sauce, create faceless wealth sneak peek, all of my YouTube videos. So when you create you can link your Pinterest to it as well, which I'll be doing here shortly. And so we can go to this plus sign and add a cover photo if you want. I did not. You can always go to shortcuts and you can go to Business Hub, Home Feed, add shortcut, create content. You can create a pin, a board, a collage. You can pay for create a pin for an ad, create a pin for an idea. What I'm doing is using organic traffic. What is something that people search for? If you're wondering what people search for on Pinterest, you're going to go to your home feed and you're going to search. Let's say you want to do work from home. Okay. And you put a space. There's work from home setup, work from home jobs, work from home aesthetic, work from home office, work from home outfit, videos, poster, desk setup. These are boards that you can create and add to them, because when people search for work at home office, your board is going to populate for them. Okay. Work from home snap, office setup. Okay. If I put in digital marketing, it's going to say digital marketing creative ads, digital marketing design, digital marketing aesthetic, digital marketing agency, logo, post, video, backgrounds, strategy, or ads. Okay. If I put how to start you need to, how to start a business, how to start journaling, how to start a book, how to start a journal, how to start a conversation with a guy. If you're in the romance niche or relationship niche, I should say, then you'll want to create a board that says how to start a relationship with a guy and add pins to that board. How to start running, how to start running for beginners, how to start a story, how to start a YouTube channel, okay? How to start a conversation. So if I put selling digital, if I put how to start selling digital products, how to start selling digital products online, or how to start selling digital products on Etsy, it's going to populate products to sell, clothes, template ideas, business, products, selling on eBay. Okay? So you can repin, create a board and repin things, and that gets traffic to your site as well. So you want to have fun with this. You don't have to do 20 or 30 pins a day like everybody says. If you put how to start digital marketing online and put your tags and put products to sell, if you're doing clothing, you're not doing digital products, templates, you could put that in your description and in your tags to categorize it. All right. So I went on this morning and I added all of my YouTube videos to how to make money with digital marketing. And then I added all of my free products in my sneak peek to another board. Now, you can keep going. If I did, let me type in business quotes, because this is a search engine, guys. Quotes. Wait. Business quotes. Nothing comes up. Oh, yeah. Business quotes, motivational, inspirational, entrepreneurship, wallpaper, aesthetic, women, Hyundai, wallpaper, iPhone. Business quotes, funny business quotes for women. So I could make a Pinterest board that said business quotes for women. And when people look for that board, it'll come up. All of these quotes. And I'm a quote girl, so I might add a board to my Pinterest and just start pinning quotes. Because it's not always about sales. You want to do fun stuff. Business, like your office, what your dream office looks like, what you want your car to look like, you know, what your goals are for this business. And you're going to just use Pinterest because Pinterest is a search engine. And unlike YouTube, well, YouTube's pretty good, but TikTok and Instagram, you only have a set amount of time where your content needs to be seen or it's going to get lost. Pinterest, when people search up things, keywords in that search box, your pins will always come up. And the longer they're there, the higher they go up the ladder. So the more chance they have of getting seen. So I just wanted to do this video on how to set up a business Pinterest account for your business. So let me go back in here and show you too. You see here, I created my picture with Canva. Okay. Free digital marketing guide. Download today. All right. So if I get started with digital marketing with my free guide. I created this free guide so that you can use it for step-by-step action plan to start digital marketing journey. Get my free guide today. And then I use hashtags. If I type in the thing, free digital marketing guide, see if mine comes up. I'm not sure if it will. It might be down here a little while, guys. Let me see. Because it hasn't reached any impressions or anything like that. So it might be at the very bottom, which is fine with me, but I just created the account this morning. So it hasn't had time to rank yet, which is fine. So I don't see it. And you can scroll through hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pins before you find it. So I'm going to stop here. Like I said, just search for whatever you want in the search bar. Make sure you make boards connected to that. If I put how to start digital marketing, I don't see how to start digital marketing. So there's that one. All of these say digital marketing in them. So I just wanted to give you guys a walkthrough of digital marketing on Pinterest and how you can use it every single day to promote your business. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you guys soon.